your criminal record searches are always going to be best done at the county level. And the first thing we're going to do is bring up the court index, the criminal index. So punching in the first and last name, if we hit the search button, up comes a variety of things. Now again, let's remember we're starting with just, in this case, just for example's sake, a name. So you can see how much we can unravel from that. This is the index. So it is a list of cases against this poor woman. And as we've talked about so many times before, the case number, here's a 2020 case, 2019, 2019. These are in, I guess you'd call it descending order, with the older cases down here towards the bottom, 2014. You also have this letter code. Here's a traffic one. There's a misdemeanor or minor misdemeanor. Here's a CF, criminal, and the F in this county counts for felony. So we have a bunch of misdemeanors, and this court, their index lays out the court type so we can clearly see, even if you didn't understand these letters, misdemeanor, traffic infraction, misdemeanor, felony, that type of thing. We're going to start this chronologically. We're going to go back to 2014 and look at this first misdemeanor and take a look at that. So if I click on here,